My people, make I tell una one story wey still dey pain me like fresh wound. E dey sweet, but e bitter. E warm like hot amala, but e cold like harmattan breeze wey blow for midnight. This story no be film trick, no be dream, na real life, na true talk. Na story of love wey no suppose happen. Love wey cross tribe, cross religion, cross culture, even cross sense. But when love hold two people, who you be to tell her make e free them? This one happened between one Yoruba girl from Ondo State, her name na Damilola, and one Hausa boy from Kano, Farouk by name. Na these two souls wey no suppose meet, wey no suppose talk, wey no suppose fall, but them fall, and them fall deep. Make you sit down well, hold tissue if you be the type wey dey cry, because this love, e go break you, fix you, then break you again. Now for inside university, all this kasala start. Federal University of Technology, Akure, FUTA. Farouk bin come from Kano, na engineering boy. Quiet, coded, e not to like wahala. Always dey read, dey do him assignment early, dey comot class like ghost. Dami on the other hand, na proper Yoruba girl. Bright, sharp mouth, correct babe wey sabi book and fashion. Her own na microbiology. From second year, everybody sabi say Dami dey run things for her department. One day, rain bin fall heavy. You know that kind thunder wey dey tear sky like heartbreak. Farouk forget umbrella for hostel, and Dami na the only person wey carry big red umbrella that day. As she waka pass, she see Farouk dey stand for corner like abandoned goat. She pause, look am, then she talk. Guy, you wan turn statue? Come on, make breeze no carry you. Farouk just look am, e shock, but him enter. And na so the first sentence spark the fire wey dem no fit quench. At first, na normal friendship. Then go gist after class, they do group assignment. But one day, Farouk get malaria, and Dami go buy am drugs, come even cook pepper soup put for flask. Farouk shock. For him house, woman no dey near man like that except say married dey inside. But Dami dey different. She no dey fear, she dey kind, and small by small, na there Farouk heart begin beat another rhythm. He start to wait for her after lecture. He go carry her bag. He go laugh with her jokes even if e no funny. Dami too dey begin feel am. She like the way him dey respect her, the way him dey look her like say she matter. But one night, as dem sit on near sport complex dey look sky, Farouk talk. Damilola, I no suppose like you, but I dey like you. And e dey scatter my head. Dami laugh small. Why you no suppose like me? Na me be devil. Farouk look ground. Because you no be from my world. My people no go gree. Your people too. This thing no get future. Dami quiet, but she talk one thing. Farouk, future dey decide itself. Na today we dey. If you like me, no fear. Love na risk. And that night, under moonlight, both of them hug. No kiss, just that kind long hug wey talk pass word. Love sweet pass honey when it is still dey fresh, but as them begin show face for public, gossip begin fly. Dami's roommate start dey talk behind her back. Farouk own friend Musa warn am, say na this Yoruba girl you dey follow like mumu. When your papa hear this thing, na slap go land you. But love dey blind. Farouk no care. Dami sef dey face pressure. Her auntie catch am dey talk for phone one night with Farouk, come shout say, Yoruba girl wey dey follow Aboki boy, shame go kill your mama. That night, Dami cry so tight pillow soak, but she still call Farouk. I no go leave you. Make the world burn, make my people curse me, but I no go leave you. And so their bond strong more. Through pain, through insult. Farouk final year come. Him papa send letter say make he come house for Ramadan. Dami follow am reach park, hold am tight. Farouk promise, I go tell my mama, I go talk true. But for Kano, as soon as he mention Dami name, trouble burst. Him papa nearly faint. Hausa boy like you want to bring shame come this house? Yoruba girl, Christian girl, you don't drink? Him mama kneel down, beg am. We go find you good wife from our people. Not let devil use you. For 1 month, them lock Farouk phone. Dami not hear from am. She cry, she wait, she pray, but silence dey louder past thunder. When Farouk return to Akure, he no be the same boy. He don't lean. Eyes hollow, spirit weak. Dami, he talk one evening. I no fit do again. My people swear. Them say them go disown me. Dami just nod. She no shout. She no beg. But her chest they break like mirror wey fall from 5-story building. She whisper, no wahala. You fight. I see am. I go always love you. Even if na from far. And 2 months later, Dami vomit steady. She go clinic. Result shock am. Pregnant. Farouk don move to NYSC camp for Sokoto. She text am, I carry your baby. No reply. 1 week, 2 weeks, Dami pack her shame, carry belle, go back Ondo. Her mama nearly collapse. You don't kill me, Dami. Yoruba girl. Pregnant for who? Hausa boy. Dami reply. Slap fly. Cry burst. But belle they grew. Dami born for February. Boy, light skin, fine like him papa. She name am Ifarada, which mean I go endure. She no send Farouk again. She get her son. She dey hustle. She dey survive. Every day she look the boy face. She dey remember that moonlight hug, that pepper soup, that one cement that we sweet like love song. 5 years pass. Dami dey work for NGO, then post am to Kano for project. She no expect say na that same Farouk go be head engineer for the building site. Both of them freeze when them see each other. Him eye red, her voice shake, but na small Ifarada wey dey drag her skirt come break the ice. Mummy, who be this man? Farouk kneel down, tears full him eye. I be your papa. Farouk beg, long, deep, real. He explained how him papa don't die, and him mama now dey soft, how him life dey empty without Dami. I no deserve you, but I beg, I want the part of my pikin life. Dami hold his hand, cold meet warmth, pain meet peace. We no go rewind time, but we fit build something from now for our pikin. Today, them no still marry, their people no ever agree, but every weekend, Farouk dey fly come Ondo. Ifarada dey grow, see love, see peace. And Dami, she get scars, but she smile through because some love no need wedding to be real. Some love dey break rule but still dey pure. Na the kind love wey cross line but no break. For more story, please share, subscribe and like my channel.